What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So this is a little vlog before the actual video I want to speak to you about. What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you that how to apply for working with children checks in Australia. Alright, it depends what state you are living in Australia. There are different websites for applying for working with children checks. So I'm talking about a state called Victoria. So right now I'm on to google.com and I typed here how to apply for working with children's check. And the first website link called Service Australia. The website URL address is service.vic.gov.au. So here you got to click. So once you click on that, you are onto that website. And on this website, you got to click on login. So if you don't have a login account, you have to create one. So because I have already account, so I have logged in. And now here, as you can read here, this takes about 30 minutes. Get your check so you can do child related work. You will need to prove your identity with documents using your phone. We will show you which ones. Fill out an online form, pay if you need to, consent to us passing your information on to do your check. And how it works, your working with children check. The working with children check Victoria screening process looks at your criminal record in all Australian states and territories, including any charges regardless of the outcomes. Your professional conduct is determined by these groups and whether you are required to report under sex offender legislation. How these ID documents handy. One of these documents can be Australian passport, current or expired less than 3 years. Australian birth certificate that is not handwritten. Foreign passport like a valid Australian visa. National police check will count this as 2 documents. Valid EMI card and Australian citizenship certificate. Number 2, one of these documents can be Medicare card, Australian driver's license or learner permit, detail from bank account as you are regularly if you hold a foreign passport. One of these first 2 documents must have your photo. You can't use photo or scanned copies of other documents. Use originals. A third document that is different from the 2 you have done above. Australian passport, Australian birth certificate that isn't handwritten, foreign passport linked to a valid Australian visa, valid EMI card, Australian citizenship certificate, Medicare card, Australian driver's license, a marriage certificate issued by birth, death or marriages. If the names on your document don't match, you will need a change of name document or marriage certificate issued by birth, death and marriages. If you don't have these documents, get in touch. Proving your identity online isn't hard, but there are few steps. So if you watch this video, this will help you, guide you through to apply for working with children checks. So what you will need to do, prove your identity with documents using your phone. We will show you which ones. Fill out the online form, pay if you need to, consent to us passing your information. Okay, so I have read out these information to you written on this Services Australia website. Okay, now you got to click on get started. Now this is the form you need to fill out. First you need to log in. So I'll click on login here. So as I said that I already have a password and username saved on this account, so I have logged in automatically. If you don't log in automatically, then you need to type your password and username. If you don't have account, you need to create one. Okay, here you need to, on employee, choose the option employee or volunteer. Have you applied before, yes or no? And then you got to follow these steps. Identity verification, identity uploads, and fill in the details, your details, type of work, organization detail, review, payment, and done. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.